Shenzhen, a well-known manufacturer of mobile-related machines, such as phone case sublimation, screen protector machine, etc. It has more than 4 years of experience in foreign trade and export. We concentrated on the production of phone case printing machine, screen protector cutting machine, screen protector film, mobile phone repair tools, equipment, and so on, and had listed CE, ROSE, FCC, sold to over 6,000 customers in over 70 countries such as the US, the UK, Europe, Australia, Japan, Korea, and so on. As a leading company of mobile maintain, we have an independent and innovative product, research and development team, a young sales team, and a systematic management packaging team. Besides, our production and manufacturing operate strictly in accordance with the SOP, so we can provide one-stop service from preparing designs, molding, material, mass production, packaging, after-sales treatment, etc. Each procedure is done under the supervision of experienced workers. Besides, we also support OEM or ODM service. We keep striving to collection and supply of all relevant products in this field during these years. The product range is very comprehensive, which reaches more than 10,000 items. After continuous testing and improving, our machine got rid of many shortcomings and enhanced various of advantages too. With complete facilities and strong technical force, wide product range, superior quality, reasonable price, and fashionable design, we have won more and more global agents to join in.